Hello everyone, welcome to our channel English Vocab. Today we are going to present you 5 common English words with their meanings to ameliorate your vocabulary knowledge.
To begin with, let's start with the vocabulary test. Please pick the correct ones similar in meaning to the given word. Remember, you have only 10 seconds for each question. So, let's get going. Did you get your all answers correct? Oh yes, congratulations! No? Then no worries, we are here to support you. Let's dive into our first word.
Hassle. Hassle means a situation that is difficult and involves problems, effort or arguments with people. We will see a few examples to understand the word hassle better.
Example 1. The swamped road along with unremitting rainfall created a hassle during our trekking. Example 2. As I faced a hassle running the software program, I called a software engineer for a guide.
Example 3. To complete the work within 2 hours was such a hassle. However, we managed to complete it with the added crew members. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word hassle are tussle, inconvenience, nuisance, menace, pest, trouble, difficulty, uphill, struggle.
The next word of the day is
Garble. Garble means to alter or distort is to create a wrong impression or change the meaning. We will see a few examples to understand the word garble better.
Example 1. Rosanna did not memorize the speech by heart. As a result, she ended up garbling her speech, which confused most of the audience. Example 2. The phone conversation starts to garble due to the poor network connection.
Example 3. In the name of editing the article, the editor instead garbled the words from their real meaning. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word garble are falsify, obscure, muddle, rob, doctor, misrepresent, vilify, counterfeit, twist, corrupt, tamper with, mutilate, misinterpret, misstate, pervert.
The next word of the day is
Imminent. Imminent means to likely to happen very soon, upcoming. We will see a few examples to understand the word imminent better.
Example 1. When dark clouds cover the sky, people roaming on the road headed towards their house because of the imminent peril they may face due to the storm. Example 2. His death was imminent as he was suffering from the disease, causing multiple organ failure.
Example 3. When the road starts covering with the snow and the markers alongside the street filled with lights of joy, We can feel that Christmas is imminent. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word imminent are impending, forthcoming, approaching, in the offing, looming, near, close, at hand, on the way.
The next word of the day is
Scrumptious. Scrumptious means extremely tasty, delicious. We'll see an example to understand the word scrumptious better.
Example 1. My mom prepared scrumptious lunch for me that is not only delicious but also smells marvelous. Example 2. The addition of citrus dip and spices of coriander in the food made it more scrumptious.
Example 3. The Mount Everest restaurant is famous for its scrumptious dishes. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word scrumptious are luscious, mouth-watering, delectable, toothsome, succulent, juicy, dainty, scrummy, delish, appetizing, moorish.
The next word of the day is
Instigate. Instigate means to cause an event or situation to happen, to trigger something, to encourage to do something. We'll see an example to understand the word instigate better.
Example 1. Our meditation teacher prevents us from doing any tasks that instigate violence through his life-saving lessons. Example 2. Exciting lessons taught by the teacher instigate students to learn more.
Example 3. Rather than wasting her time in silly activities, Rosanna instigated her to study so that she won't face any difficulties in her academic career. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word instigate are incite, provoke, encourage, initiate, stimulate, influence, start, trigger, abate, impel, spur, urge, prompt, goad, sedition, incendiary.
Now it's your turn to make the sentence of your own in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.